been to some cool places on the channel, but this spot right here, this might be the coolest yet. Check this. Okay, whoa, that was dangerous. Check this out, boys. Colorado Rocky Mountains. We're at like 12,000 feet on Imogen Pass. We got the Raptors right there. We're headed up to 13,000 feet. I am exhausted because the air is so thin up here. But ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I am currently going through cardiac arrest right now. Whoa, 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 jeez. Sorry, this is a awkward intro to the video. The Raptors are girthy girl. We are close on that edge. And then check out that view right there. It's like a 2,000 foot drop off. We are climbing into another like stratosphere. So what we're about to do is a very, very technical procedure. If you're not skilled, you shouldn't try this, meaning that I shouldn't try it. Anyways. If you kind of sort of get scared of heights, you're gonna want to look away. Check this out. Oh my goodness. That is a long, long ways down, boys. Wow. There are signature moments on the vlog where you definitely need, whoa, whoa. We're good. It's very, very windy. There are signature moments on the vlog where you need the drone. In 3, 2, 1. We're just continuing to climb into the Colorado abyss. The top of the summit is 13,100 feet. We are on the edge of death right now. This is so epic. We gotta do this more often. Every time I go off-roading, there's always that one rattle, and I'm like, did I break something? Is that normal? Oh geez, is that not normal? Also, I apologize. It's very bumpy. The footage is gonna be a little bit shaky. Here we go. Oh geez. Sorry, Oscar, we're good, but I need to take Oscar to the dog park, and I owe him a lot of biscuits. Oscar has officially decided that he is riding co-pilot now. He doesn't like the back anymore, do ya? You're doing good, bud. I know, it's a bit bumpy. It is incredibly windy, but just like that, we have conquered the summit here at Imogen Pass, Rocky Mountain, Colorado. 13,114 feet. Check that out. So we got a long ways to go. We started over there and we're headed down there. Oscar, you're a good boy. I'm trying to convey to you guys how windy it is right now.
Okay, it's windy, but have you emphasized how narrow that trail looks right now?
Yes, it's like, look at that. We can't make it. I know. We got girthy girls.
I want to go back the same way. I don't want to go down that way.
I don't either. That's a long ways down. The only thing I know for sure is every foot further we go down, we don't fall as far. So we have a higher probability of surviving, theoretically. Colorado is just flexing way too hard right now. The sun's just glistening right through this tunnel. And check out the views out there. Oscar, we're almost home, but your fluff looks majestic. Wow. And good morning and welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. Out of nowhere, we have the satin white Nissan GTR. What a crazy, crazy adventure that was. 9 hours later, we were back here at the Burlacker's residence protected by Simply Safe. The sponsor to today's video, the Raptor, is an absolute disaster. You guys know Simply Safe. You guys know I love my Simply Safe home security system, and that's because for me, security is a very high priority. Nearly all of my assets at any given moment in time are parked here in the garage, especially when the Bugatti is here, and I've chosen Simply Safe as my home security system to help protect my assets. I first installed my Simply Safe home security system here at the Burlacker house about 2 years ago. It only took me 2 hours to install, and I use it nearly every single day. At some point during the day, I access the live feed on my cell phone to make sure my cars are safe. Now, I have Simply Safe security devices located around the entire house, including this all-important security camera right here to keep an eye on the driveway, the front yard, as well as the main road. I also have the Simply Safe smart door lock. Super cool device. It's great for security reasons, but when FedEx drops off a package or UPS drops off a package, or you hear that door knock and you don't know who it is, you can look at your cell phone and decide then and there, maybe you don't want to answer the door, maybe you do. You guys can see the Simply Safe smart doorbell camera right here. We also have the Simply Safe smart front door lock. You can actually lock or unlock that door handle using your cell phone. And then I have another security camera right there to protect this half the driveway. And then another security camera right here for this half the garage and that entry exit door. And probably the most important camera in the entire house for me, because it covers the Aventador and obviously when the Bugatti is here, is the camera located right there. And remember, Simply Safe is monitored by professionals 24/7. In the event of a security breach like a break-in, the police are going to be called immediately. Check out the link below, simplysafe.com/Stradman. There's no contracts required, and you can get started for right around 50 cents a day, boys. 50 cents a day. Too many people wait to get Simply Safe until it's too late, and then they play all the what-if scenarios in their mind. Don't be those guys. Check out the link below to simplysafe.com/Stradman. As you guys know, the Aventador is kind of sort of broken. I believe the clutch needs to be replaced. It's been slipping really badly. It could be a throwout bearing, but we'll kind of sort of see. And then also, you guys might remember, this car has broken down on me several times this summer and last summer. Overheating issues. I think the cooling fans need to be replaced. Either way, we're going to be saying bye to the car for a very long time. The Lamborghini Aventador is undoubtedly my favorite car in the entire world. I'm going to miss it so much. I just did the quickest Google search ever for clutch flywheel Lamborghini Aventador. It was right around $10,000 just for the parts. That doesn't include the labor. Yet as I'm driving the car right now, the clutch feels kind of sort of fine, so I don't know. And just like that, the truck from Lamborghini Las Vegas has arrived. We gotta say bye to the Aventador today. So the Aventador is leaving town. The Bugatti's already left town. We have some bad news on the Veyron as well. I'm not gonna have any cars left here soon. Enjoy this view of the Lamborghini Aventador, because the next time you see it, it might have a new clutch and I might be a whole lot poorer. Realistically, the Aventador will probably be gone for about 2 weeks, depending on if it needs a new clutch or not. The Bugatti might be here next week. It might be 2 weeks out. I'm not really entirely sure. Lamborghini Las Vegas, that's actually a complimentary service. So they picked up the car for free. They're taking it down to Vegas, and then I'm probably gonna have like a $25,000 bill. So such is life. If the Ford executives are still watching my channel, we are representing in quality and in quantity. All of a sudden, all the cars are gone. So we have some bad news on the Bugatti. I just got off the phone. Also, the Fox Body Mustang, a lot of people have been asking, that's owned by Papa Burlacker. I just got off the phone with my Bugatti service advisor. You probably kind of sort of know where this is going. The Veyron's down in San Diego getting its annual service done, and the front passenger brake pad is cracked. It needs to be replaced. The part is $8,000, which is bad news in and of itself, but it gets worse. The part doesn't exist at a dealership here in North America, so we have to order it from France. It's on back order. I have no idea when we're gonna get the part. I have no idea when the Veyron's gonna get here. Originally, the plan was to have Clayton wrap the car tomorrow. We had to cancel that. We're gonna have to reschedule it. We might not see the car for a week, 2 weeks, longer. I really have no idea. And just like that, the Ferrari's the only car left in the garage, but we need to find that JDM car. Right, Oscar? Yeah, good boy. Utah is just flexing on the nation. That is absolutely beautiful. What? Oscar, do not come out here, buddy. This sunset is so cool. Check this out. Oh, yo. What? That is crazy. Wow. That is absolutely beautiful. Oscar, you're a good boy. Don't come out here. No. Get off the chair. Get off the chair, dude. And that is going to effectively end today's video. The Veyron has gone indefinitely. The Aventor has also gone somewhat indefinitely. We gotta buy some cars, boys. Priority number one this week is the JDM car. Be sure to check out the link below to simplysafe.com/Stradman. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out. Where'd you get that? Is there another one? Oh, that's all a bunch of trash. We don't litter. We have a majestic fruit in his element, Oscar Marshmallow. If you're not following on Instagram, who even exists?